Wadau ni moja kati ya stori ambazo tumekuwa tukizifuatilia kwa muda, so ikija katika siasa za eneo la Mlima Kenya. Nyobai toyagi kuyuna mobi nikiudo trakro tufuatirite muno, na tumekuwa tukiangalia uhusiano katika wa siasa katika eneo la Mlima Kenya na yale viongozi ambao wanakuwa wakiyasema baada ya Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua kuja wazi na kuwaanika wale ambao wanampiga vita na ambao wanakataa yeye kuwa na uhusiano na rais mstaafu Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. Leo tigaide mwire adwanyi obai toyagi kuyuna mobi. Gachagua muthi ni aria na thutha wake kwaria ri niathie na mbere ko expose andu aria macemanire na magibanga uria makunina utongoria wa rais former president wa bururi witu wa Kenya Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta na uria makinina influence ya Uhuru Kenyatta kirima-ini kana Mount Kenya. I want you to listen to this. Ndrenda tuthikiranie na tumbe gukorwo twi page-ine imwe haha nikio tuthie na mbere wega. Nataka tusikizane vizuri tu. Now, the Deputy President and former Madira Member of Parliament, Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, has revealed how the downfall of the former President Uhuru Kenyatta's Mount Kenya kingpin was planned and executed. Now, speaking in a Kiambu church, Gachagua alisema the first meeting to discuss the matter was held in Naivasha in Honorable Jane Kihara's house. Immediately, Uhuru made peace with Raila Odinga during the highly celebrated handshake of the year 2018. Tigaide moire nemo iguoria turerwo Gachagua hari hatikaine muno na tha ici niyo ndamwirire atiriri kirimo ni kiohiga na kirimo kiohiga ri uria mugi hari hatikaine uria mugi hari thina-ini. President William Ruto ri uraigua muthenya uria president uria niwe former president kana munene wa bururi witu wa Kenya Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta athire na mbere gwika handshake na Raila Amolo Odinga mwaka wa 2018 neho mucemanio wetirwo wa anene ya kuma Mount Kenya makinyitanira na Deputy President kaida kau William Ruto makifanga downfall ya President Uhuru Kenyatta na makiuga ni makunina influence ya Uhuru Kenyatta kirima-ini. Nio mabreirie slogans ya dynasty, niho mabreirie conversation ati Uhuru te mundu kihingia kiraniro giake na ithu tage kuyuri kiundu kiria twiraniire nawe ri no mwako hingi tondu nie ndina thire waku ekoro ndina thire waku ri ni fatirite kuriha thire ucio niguo tuthie na mbere wega tondu we ni wahingia shiraniro ciaku. Unasikia? So hapo ndipo mpango ulipangwa Naivasha, mkutano ukafanyika ambao ulikuwa ni mkutano wa kumaliza Uhuru Kenyatta kama kingpin wa Mount Kenya. Now, in the meeting it was agreed that the now President William Ruto should be packaged as a presidential candidate for 2022 general election and sold to the Mount Kenya people. Beside Gachagua and Kihara, other members of parliament were incorporated, who included Kiharu's Ndindi Nyoro, Kimani Ichung'wah, Alice Wahome of Kandara, and Moses Kuria of Gatundu. Nemuraigua andu aya neo metirwo mucemanio uyu na magikarathi magifanga downfall ya President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. Tigaide mwire uhoro uyu ni wa matondu riri ni muonire hati President Uhuru Kenyatta ariko realize ati andu aya neo marafanga mufango wa ku bring down his legacy. Athire na mbere kunyita Gachagua, akinyita Ndindi Nyoro, akinyita Kimani Ichung'wah, ona Moses Kuria nake akihurwo bara nene muno na akiingatwo kiama-ini kia Jubilee. No muririkane wari muthenya wa mashujaa, yari celebration ya mashujaa, yari Makueni kuria kwa Charity Ngilu. Ndio ne Makueni kana ne Kitui. Moses Kuria agithie mucemanio ucio ri neo Charity Ngilu erire avitha aborithi maikie nja Moses Kuria, na Moses Kuria akikururwo the mono na akimake kisa fulani agituika niwe trending topic tondu niaigatwo ni aracetha kakarashi yake kuu na guku, aratuonia mithako ya ngerekano kuu na yani ni kama video, ni kama drama. All this was retaliation for the president, tondu president ni realize ati andu aya ni mathie maikara na mabanga ati nie ni makunina unene wakwa ta president kana kingpin wa kirima. Riu ndimwire Gachagua umuthi ni aikara ni aiciria na ndamwirire kirimo kioiga uria mugi hari hatikaini. Ndio maana itawabidi tena waite mkutano mwingine. Ekoro ni metire mucemanio ri na magithie magiikara magibango uria makuninoa unene wa Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta ri. Weta we DP Rigathi Gachagua ureciria ni atio giko muthi undu uyu tikahanike. Nikio arathi na mbere ku expose ana leak tu kidogo details to the media ithuo tuthie na mbere kwaria andu aya mamenye mundu uyu ri tukithaka nake ni aku expose a lot of secrets kuhusu sisi. So kiundu kiria tugika ri ni kumwita tuikare nake thi riu twitikanirie na tukorwo twina agreement ati we ni ugutwika DP kinya 2032 aria ugetia giti kia president wa bururi wito wa Kenya. Nitwiguithania now tiga tuthie na mbere. Their mission was to work and see that the president, whom they viewed as having abandoned the earlier pledges he made, doesn't succeed in his mission, and true to their scheme, Uhuru was humiliated on August 9th when his candidate lost narrowly to Ruto. Now the 6 leaders would later on recruit others and launch a campaign against Uhuru's perceived state capture and his family's dominance in Mount Kenya region. Gachagua said the team was ready for the persecution that would follow later on, whereby most were targeted by the government. It is worth noting that DP recently was ordered to forfeit Kenya shillings 200 million whose source he could not explain. Uririkane Gachagua nyitirwo ni DCI na agikirirwo igamba ati we ena case ya corruption ya besha 200 million Kenyan shillings. Besha iria turerirwo ati ni acokeirio thutha wake gutuo deputy president wa bururi wito wa Kenya mwaka wa 2022. Now, however, he blamed former President Uhuru Kenyatta for his tribulations even as he appealed the court ruling. Ironically, Nakuru is where the dynamic duo of Uhuruto held a meeting in 2012 to unite the two communities of Kalenjin and Kikuyu, whereby TNA and URP decided to work together. Demoririkanie rigi na nimukujitikira nsokere ciugo ici mtaniruhusu nirudie hii maneno. Ndamwirire Gachagua ri atari na agreement na William Ruto ati we ugutwika deputy president miaka yaku 10 na wani na miaka 10 ta deputy president ri nie ta president wa bururi wa Kenya nie president William Ruto nego support agenda yaku ya gutuo president mwaka wa 2032. Kiune kio kiundu kiria matari nakio. Ndimuririkanie ciiraniro cia Uhuru na Ruto ciari ho mwaka wa 2012 riria kiama kia URP kiria kiari kia president William Ruto na TNA kia Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta mathiire magikorwo mena mucemanio Nakuru na magikara thi magibanga ati tondu ithuĩ ri ni ithuĩ turahurwo bara tondu wa post-election violence ya mwaka wa 2007 ri no tuikare thi tubange uria ithuĩ tukuyukia thirikari na tukwathana. Riu agreement itu ri ithuĩ ta the Kenyatta family twakuhe president William Ruto ri erirwo aneirwo about sijui over 20 billion Kenyan shillings. Akineo besha icio akirwo atige gwitia giti kia president na niagutuo deputy president kiri coalition ya TNA na URP iria yaheirwo rietwa Jubilee. The Jubilee coalition nikio mombe kuhotana tondu macindanaga na mundu wari na ngumo nene muno na ari na a lot of political mileage kawe Raila Amolo Odinga. uririkane kaida kau Raila Odinga ari na ODM na uririkane ODM riu andu othe Kenya ri ni mari kunogwo ni wathani wa Kibaki tondu ona ugikorwo Kibaki ni aimire ri na andu tha ici nirio monaga wega wake ri kaida kau ri andu matonaga wathani wa Kibaki hawakuwa wanaona manufaa ya rais mzee Kibaki hiyo time. So watu walikuwa wamechoka na yeye, they wanted a fresh blood, and the fresh blood to replace Kibaki. Most of the Kenyans before the coalition came in saw an opportunity in Raila Amolo Odinga. But when the Kalenjin community walikaa chini wakapanga na the Kikuyu community, nyinyi mko na URP yenu, sisi tuko na TNA yetu, how about we merge these parties na tukuwe na muungano moja ambao tutauita Jubilee, alafu under the contract wewe Mkalenjin utakuwa deputy president, mimi kama Mkikuyu na kutokea katika familia ya Kenyatta na mimi ni Daniel Muthegi ta kingpin wa Mount Kenya ri gutwika president. But after my 10 years in power, I will support you, William Ruto, to take over and rule the country for the next 10 years. That was an agreement written and signed by Uhuru Kenyatta and William Ruto. But for Gachagua was just a dog picked from the market. Neighbors ko Waiyuru market akireho nyoba kwa itonga akirwo atiriri we Bosco ikara hauja wona mundu okite ri ukaboeka. Mnanielewa? Gachagua alichukuliwa tu kadogi fulani huko akawekwa hapa akaambiwa wewe mbwa wewe ukimuona mtu usiyemjua akija ama yule jirani akija pite anajaribu kuingia kwa mlango wetu wa UDA piga kelele boeka. Nikyo kiodo kile Gachagua arekaga kuma mwaka wa 2018 amekuwa panganga mingi zilienda zikapanda zikashuka trying to diminish the power that the former president Uhuru Kenyatta had. Niri araikaria arona atiriri kainogo thio andu aya wanigeuke bwana, nimeanza kuona dalili na mimi sikuwa na chama, sikuwa na agreement tumeandika ashalala, kwa sababu Mudavadi akiletwa hapa alikuwa na chama yake ameachana nayo ya ANC. Wetangula akiletwa hapa ameachana na Ford Kenya. Moses Kuria ari na chama chake. Alfred Mutuari na maendeleo chap nako. Wengine wote Omodo kana kiama yake maga sign agreement. Wega Gachagua wari na kiama kiriko waiga through Jubilee. Nikio Gachagua rona ni wega expose secret za hawa watu ndio wamuheshimu. Wega kuria tamu iroreri witu wa FM show omuthi uraigua te uhoro uyu wa Gachagua guthie na mbere kwanika thiri cia President William Ruto na mubango uria mabangire wa kunina wathani wa Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta 2018 after Uhuru Kenyatta had an handshake with Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. Ndenda kuigua maoni yako. Achia comment kwenye comment section.